A lot happened this week in the AI space, and we've got you covered with the top updates you might have missed. From the Text with Jesus app offering interactive conversations with biblical figures, to FraudGPT, the dark side of ChatGPT. Meta's big move is releasing Llama 2 as an open source, and Google's robotics Transformer 2, bridging internet knowledge to robots. Not to forget Adobe's game-changing AI feature in Photoshop, and Stability AI's powerful Stable Diffusion XL. LinkedIn also joins the party with an AI tool to boost your profile and networking skills. Stay tuned for all of the exciting details. Let's start with some exciting news about Text with Jesus. This innovative smartphone app allows users to have virtual conversations with biblical figures powered by AI. Created by Catloaf Software, it provides a fresh and captivating way for Christians to interact with Scripture. Using advanced AI and ChatGPT technology, the app crafts personalized dialogues based on scriptural wisdom. Whether you're seeking guidance, posing questions, or exploring the Old Testament, it helps you deepen your spiritual connection. What's even more impressive is that it's extensively trained across various Bible versions and languages, ensuring the conversations feel genuinely authentic and meaningful. According to Stephanie Peter, the CEO of Catloaf Software, the AI's default guidance is rooted in Bible quotes, making sure the conversations stay perfectly aligned with Christian beliefs. Sample questions to Jesus resulted in answers that conform to Orthodox Christianity. For instance, asking about multiple paths to heaven received the response, "I am the way, the truth, and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me." John 14:6. When asked if he is God, the app replied, "Yes, I am the Son of God, Jesus Christ." In John 10:30, I declared, "I and the Father are one." So yes, as the second person of the Trinity God incarnate, I am indeed God. The app also provides affirming answers to questions about hot-button social issues, such as abortion and homosexuality, reflecting the traditional positions of the Christian Church. In a nutshell, Text with Jesus opens up a unique and personal avenue for believers to dive into Scripture and engage in thought-provoking conversations with biblical characters. It's a versatile tool suitable for all ages, whether you're looking for a family bonding activity or a dynamic learning experience. In contrast to the good uses of AI like Text with Jesus, there's concerning news in the cybersecurity world. Recent months have seen a worrisome trend where AI is misused for harm, particularly on the dark web. This has grabbed a lot of attention. It's the new side of AI threats, building on what we've seen before with WormGPT. Now there's something more alarming called FraudGPT. This AI tool is getting popular on the dark web and places like Telegram, and it's meant for cybercrime. FraudGPT has been operating since July 22, 2023, and cybercriminals can use it for a monthly fee starting at $200, going up to about $1,000 for 6 months or $1,700 for the year. This AI is dangerous, capable of crafting deceitful emails, creating undetectable malware, and creating convincing phishing pages. The heart of this malevolence lies in combining generative AI and ChatGPT technology, allowing FraudGPT to create realistic content using natural language. It's a cunning adversary, able to learn and adapt. So how do we defend ourselves against the AI threat? Experts urge us to use cybersecurity innovations that use AI for good. By being vigilant, understanding the signs of phishing and malware, and staying informed, we can protect ourselves from the dark web's AI schemes. With knowledge as our shields, we'll be ready to face the digital dangers lurking in the shadows. Now, Google has been making waves in the AI world, and its latest creation, Robotics Transformer 2, or RT-2, is no exception. This innovative AI system acts as a bridge between the internet and robots, translating online knowledge into robotic actions. Using transformer models, a type of neural network, RT-2 can learn from sequential data like text or speech. It takes natural language instructions from humans or web sources and converts them into executable plans for robots. RT-2's capabilities are impressive. It can read or listen to something online, like a recipe, and then instruct a robot on how to perform the task. But what's even more exciting is that RT-2 can learn from its own experiences and improve over time. It uses reinforcement learning techniques, rewarding or penalizing the robot based on its actions' outcomes. Additionally, it employs self-supervised learning, allowing it to learn from unlabeled data by generating its own labels. This means robots can now learn directly from the web, reducing our need to constantly guide them. With RT-2, Google is moving closer to its visions of robots that can handle a wide range of tasks, from household chores to shopping assistants. It marks a significant step towards the capable and adaptable robots that can tackle new situations and unexpected changes. Have you heard the big news from Meta? They just made a major move by releasing their latest language model, Llama 2, as an open source. That means that Llama 2 is now available for everyone to use, download, and even tweak to their heart's content for different purposes. It's the next version after Llama 1, and it has been trained on an enormous 2 trillion tokens of public data. Meta's main goal with Llama 2 is to empower developers and organizations like us to create amazing generative AI tools and experiences. What's really cool about Llama 2 is its capabilities. It can do all sorts of things, from generating natural language responses to creating images, code, and even music based on what users input. It comes in 3 versions, with the largest one having a whopping 70 billion parameters, making it super powerful and diverse. They've also fine-tuned a version called Llama 2 Chat, which enhances conversations by using over 1 million human annotations. Meta is taking an open innovation approach by teaming up with big players like Microsoft, Amazon, and Hugging Face. The idea is to make Llama 2 accessible on different platforms and frameworks. They've even set up an open innovation AI research community to promote transparency and collaboration with academic partners in the LLM research field. The reason behind Meta's decision to open source Llama 2 is pretty awesome as well. They really believe in making AI development inclusive. By sharing Llama 2 with the world, they're encouraging innovation, diversity, and responsibility in the AI field, while keeping an eye on ethical and social changes related to large language models. If you're good at design or editing, you probably know about Adobe Photoshop and how powerful and popular it is. Now they have a new AI feature called Generative Expand, which makes it even better. With this feature, you can make your images even bigger very easily. For example, if you have a photo and part of it is missing or cut off, you can use Generative Expand to stretch the image and fill in the missing parts automatically. Just drag your photo to the size you want, click the Generate button, and the missing parts will appear magically. If you want something specific to be added in the space, you can type a prompt and the tool will try to add it. The new content will be in a separate layer, so you can remove it if you don't like it. Adobe ensured that the content this AI generates is appropriate and has nothing bad. Even though some other platforms may have similar features, it's a big deal to have this directly in Photoshop, which is used by many people worldwide. Right now, you can't use this feature for commercial stuff, but Adobe plans to change that later this year. They're also making Photoshop support more than 100 different languages. In another development, Stability AI has just unveiled its latest breakthrough in generative AI with the release of Stable Diffusion XL 1.0. This new text-to-image model is making waves for all the right reasons. Imagine having an artist with 3.5 billion brushes at your disposal, creating incredibly detailed images with vibrant colors, shadows, and lighting. This tool can even generate images from the simple sentences you provide. It's like having a virtual Picasso at your fingertips. Interestingly, Stability's AI model is available as open source on platforms like GitHub, and you can also find it on apps like ClipDrop and Dream Studio. It's all about making AI creativity accessible to everyone. This model comes with a whopping 3.5 billion parameters, allowing it to churn out full 1 megapixel resolution images in seconds, all in various aspect ratios. What's really exciting is that this AI isn't just limited to one trick, it's versatile. It can do advanced text generation, creating legible logos, fonts, and even calligraphy. And here's the cherry on top. It can fix or extend images too. Think about adding more details to a picture or filling in the missing parts. It's a tool that embraces complexity, taking short prompts and creating intricate variations. LinkedIn has finally joined the AI giants with the introduction of LinkedIn Coach. This AI-powered tool analyzes users' profiles, messages, and posts to offer personalized advice for improving their professional profiles and networking skills. Think of it as a helpful buddy who gives you tips to make your profile stand out and guide you on how to approach job opportunities. It even gives you nudges to avoid excessive posting or using the wrong tone. However, some users have concerns about losing their profile's uniqueness, potential privacy intrusion, and over-reliance on AI for networking decisions. Help us out and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more on the AI world today. Thanks so much for watching.